this screen tool of mine. This is called Creeper Explosion.
This was a pretty challenging route with some not so fun dual-tex moments. The beginning is a lot of body position movement. Knowing how to settle into holds can save a great deal of energy, which ended up being pretty important later. I don't think I approached this dual-tex correctly. I should have utilized the small crimp to better transition into a left lane setup instead. The crux sequence is a series of dual-tex side pulls, where a decent number of moves are slightly dynamic, so a bit of contact strength is needed here. The inside step helps me to flag my left foot against the wall for this layback position to get ready for the next step up, which was probably the hardest move of the bunch. I was pretty pumped at this point, so I braced my forearm with a large hold to shake out a bit. This was an interesting sequence, which starts with stepping into a thumber cling to stabilize enough to flip the right hand into a palm, which allows the right foot to be brought up to release the right hand for a match. The small crimp was a weird angle, and since it looked like it needed to be gripped as a side pull or undercling, I had to get into a right lean, so I shifted back down to get a better position.